Now, graph minus cosine of pi x. What you do? First, find the amplitude and after the period. Amplitude equals to 1. I know you see the negative, but remember, amplitude is always, always positive. Now find the period. Follow the formula. 2 pi divided by b. b is equal to pi. Eliminate pi in the numerator, pi in the denominator. And the period is 2. Now you have to divide the period in 4 equal parts. For that, we need to find 5 points, 5 different values of x. The first value of x is always 0. The last value is always equal to the period. Now, the third value is 1/2 of the period. And now use your common sense. The second value is 1/2. And if you count by halves, the first value is 0, the second 1/2, the third 2/2, the fourth is 3/2. Now, what you do? The function says multiply x by pi. When you do this, you find the typical values of x for cosine. You know already these values. The first is 0. The second is pi divided by 2. The next is pi. The following is 3/2 of pi. And the last 2 pi. Now find the typical values of cosine. You already know this. You have to memorize these values. Cosine starts with 1. The next value is the next value is 0. The next -1. The next 0. And the last is 1 again. But now says we want minus cosine. Means what? We have to multiply by -1 all the values, the previous values. The first becomes -1, the next 0, the next 1, the next 0, and the last -1. Now use the values on the top and the bottom to make each of the points. Now graph all the points. Connect all the points. And that's it. We have the graph of minus cosine of pi x. We finished.